Hello guys, today we learn how to develop SSRS report with like parameters. To implement this, you have require SQL Server 2012 SSDT tool installed for SSRS and Visual Studio 2015. Now we need to follow these steps to develop any report RS. First, we need to add shared data source, and this establishes the connection to SQL Server using credential with database name. Second one is create two dataset. We will define the key SQL queries and parameters if any are. Then we write the SQL query with parameters. And third step is design the report. Drag the dataset fields from the data report data pane to the report design surface and format the report as needed. Like we can use tables, matrices, charts, etc. When you will select dataset, when you design the report, parameter will show the report data pane if you define the parametric SQL queries. Now you can see here SQL queries with like statement. So you can see like select imply daily dot star from imply daily where emp like you can see in single quote we need to give percent then plus this is a parameter then you write plus statement and then in single quote we also write the parameter percent. So this way it will select with like statement. Whenever match, we will get the result. Now let us see with the real example. Now open Visual Studio 2015. Go to File, New, Projects. Then you will choose in Business Intelligence, Reporting Services, then Report Server. And you can put the name SSRS report with like parameters and click on OK buttons. Your project will be created now. Now you can see three folder data, share data source, share. First we need to create shared data source. So right click, add, then new item. Then you will choose data source first. Now you can click on add. So here you can see data source name is data source 1 and here type Microsoft SQL connection Microsoft SQL Server and connection string you can see need to add like put here database name server name need to put here server name. So here my server name is this. Now put here server name and I have taken like authentication Windows and also you take it like SQL Server. Now select the database name test and click on test connection. So here you can see test connection succeeded. Now click on OK, then OK button. So now you can see connection string data source and initial catalog in database name. Now you can click on OK buttons. So here you can see your first data source will be created. Then second is create to dataset. Now click on add new item. Then datasets. Click on add. So here you can see dataset name one will so dataset name is dataset 1. Now you can also change and data source already you have created data source 1. Now need to write here query type text query. So go to designers. Here you can see add the tables. Then you choose imply daily. Then click on OK. Now close this. and we need to select alt fish to display those. So click on this one. So here you can see select MP Delhi star from MP Delhi. Now we need to like statement. So here simply we put like where like EMP name like put here in single quote percentage, then we need to plus, then here follow EMP name as a parameter, then you write to plus, then in single quote you need to write percent. Now run this SQL statement and see the result. So click this one. Here you can see there is like statement more time, so you need to delete this one. Now run this SQL statement. So here it will ask for the employee name, so simply you can put. So then whatever we match the records, which percentage all record will we display, we are in any place. So click on OK. So here you can see there is one record only, so that record will be shown here. Now click on OK buttons. So finally we can see our SQL parameter statement with the like parameter like EMP name like in single quote percentage plus at the rate of parameter, then plus, then in single quote percentage. So it will search whatever will comes like left and right side and show the match record, and now click on OK button. So finally we have second step completed. Dataset1.srd will be created dataset. Now third step is need to add the report. So now click on right click on report folder. Now click on add, then select report and then add. When you see on this report folder, you will get a report1.rdl will be created, and here you can see the design view. Now you need to go on toolbox and design the report in table format. So now select and drag and drop this on the report design. So when you drop on the report design, it will ask like dataset, use share dataset, and here you can see dataset 1 which have already created, and here you can see the parameters and fields. Here all the fields will be display option filters. Now click on OK button. So header will be header and data design format will be created. Now after there is a one data set, one that is a field will be displayed, and also you can see there is one parameters. So simply drag and drop this one imply name and imply locations, and you can bold it these ones. Also you can put like centers, and you can also this put one is centers. Now report will be created. Now go to preview. So here you can see employee name and there is button view report, and you can put like R and click on view report. So whatever matches in table, this will be show, like you put S and click on view report. So here you can see another 103 employee ID with a detail will be shown, like when you put like A and click on view report. So here you can see all three records. Whenever found A in the name, which record will be shown here. So that's way we can create SSRS report with parametric with like statement, and query also you can see in this way. So here you can see the SQL statement imply daily from MP daily, where imply name like this in single quote percentage, then plus imply name plus percentage. This is the query which can be used in SSRS. Thanks for watching my YouTube videos. If you want to more videos, please subscribe my YouTube channel.